So don't be confused. There are two petrol pumps next to one another. You will find Nehru Place bus stand. You can go there and you can walk back a little bit. So I came by bus, so I'm coming back here. So as you can see here, from here you can cross the road. You can see it's written Lotus Temple this side, so I'm going from this side. लोटस टेम्पल पहुंच गया हूँ। ये अभी लोटस टेम्पल ही है। अभी ये लोटस टेम्पल 2 बजे खुलेगा। सुबह में इसकी टाइमिंग है 9 से आई थिंक 12 बजे, फिर उसके बाद 2 से 5 बजे। तो अभी तो मैं जाऊँगा, 2 बजने वाले हैं अभी थोड़ी देर बाद। तो उससे आगे अब जब आओगे तो एक पार्क है जहाँ ये आप देख सकते हो। तो मैं सोच रहा था कि थोड़ा घूम लें और आधे घंटे बाद दोबारा मैं बैक जाऊँगा और फिर लोटस टेम्पल आपको दिखाते हैं अंदर से कैसा है। बिकॉज ऑफ वेदर, लाइक पीपल डोंट लाइक ट्रैवलिंग इन दिस वेदर, इट्स लिटिल बिट हार्श। लेट मी सी व्हाट एल्स इज देयर इन दिस पार्क। So I thought that it's very small park, but in fact it's very like as you can see the area, very big park. So if you come Lotus Temple, next to it you can visit this place also, very beautiful, close to nature. What else do you need? See the lovely place. If you feel tired, here is something for you. What is this? Yes, so here we can sit as well. So here you can see sunshine. Let me find any other place where I can sit. Wow, some beautiful flowers. Here you can see long straight line. People are going in queue. Let me show you from this side as well. It's very long. This is information center. As you can see, earlier it was closed. So by the way, it is not allowed to record this. I am recording for you, so you can also see this place, how beautiful it is and how well they have decorated it. They have kept some of the things by which Baha'u'llah ki muhar don't understand. Let's move. अब्दुल बहा की पश्चिम यात्राएं। So as you can see, these are the equipments they have used when they were making it, and the pictures they have captured at that time. Oh, great, well structured. We cannot say it is monument, it's a building. So look at this. So as you can see, it's written children at a kindergarten established by Baha'is in the Pacific island of Western. Okay, so let me tell you, it is Baha'i, it's a religion, and it is related to the same, the Lotus Temple. Okay, you can come here, you can visit this place. It's not like it is for only Muslim, it's for Hindu, it's for everybody. Anybody can come, anybody can visit this place. Okay, let me go that side. This one. this is how it looks from inside. I don't know, they are not allowing, doors are not open. Let me ask from guard, why will it open after some time or what? So as you can see, here is information center. Here I met with a volunteer. His name was Avinash. So he was telling me about this Baha'i religion. He was saying that you can be the part of this. Anyways, yes, I was telling about this lotus temple. As you can see, everybody, it is like there are 9 ways from where you can go, and these are the leaves. As you can see, this is one of the ways. Then is okay, let me 1 2 3 4, this is like there are 9. And if we talk about the height, I think the height is 34 meter. In inches it will be more than 100 inches. Okay, no, not inches, I am talking about feet. Okay, 100 feet. So it's very beautiful place. If you want to come, and you can visit here. Okay, and as I expected that there will be less number of people today as per the weather. It's very sunny, as you can see. This was all here, everybody. I'm thinking to go ISKCON temple. It is next to this also. So the time is right now, the time is, let me see, around 4 o'clock. So I'll go there. It is, I have to go from where I came, the same park I visited. So I'll go from there. If you are thinking that we will come here and we will sit in this park, so it is not allowed at all, because they shared that if, like, you know, when people come and they spoil everything, they throw bottles and all waste, so it's not allowed. Here people are busy in clicking pictures. You can come here and take information about center. And one more thing, if again I'm saying, if you are thinking to come and sit for a while, like for 1 or 2 hours, that you cannot do, because that is true as well. Here are some benches where you can sit only. As you can see, people are sitting, and this is well maintained temple. As we can see, anybody can come. So I'm leaving this place. Let me go from this side. Look at this, everybody, in evening out. I was thinking to come in evening. It might be possible. There are more than, I think, 400-500 people, and entry is limited as there are like COVID cases again. It is increasing in Delhi especially. Let's see, everybody. I'm happy that I arrived here in noon time and I traveled. So now I'm moving towards ISKCON temple. Yes, one more thing I wanted to tell you, that there are many people who come from like out of India. As you can see, some people, these are from India only, but yes, people come from out of India as well. There was one survey as well which is done in 2001. I don't by NSS or something like that. So in that survey it was told that in 2001 this was the place where the maximum number of people visited. Means I'm talking about Lotus Temple only, so you can just think about it, how popular this place is. We visited ISKCON temple, I think in class of, when we were in 11th class. or 12th class. In 12th class we went to Nainital. Okay, I think in 11th class, if I find picture of that, like 11th class picture, I will show you in this. Let's move forward and fast as well. Let's meet in ISKCON temple now.